Try and be a director. Dang, dang, lang, lang, lang. That's the music, yeah?
Oopah music.
Go wide, go wide. That's it, up a bit. Fantastic.
Nicely packed. This is the acrylic sheets for the doors and the sides.
No, just keep it in the box. Don't worry about this stuff. Base plate. Lots of acrylic.
So,
Perfetto.
Aerodynamic.
so it's the bottom plate. I think back or something. Another one, I don't know.
Audio.
Plastic parts. There's some plastic parts in it.
Can she stop the audio? No. No? It's going to go all over the film.
That's the hot end.
Yeah, yeah.
So I want it to print them. Perfect. Our cable. The cables.
The thing for the
Cable
cables.
chain?
Yeah, your cable thing.
The sticky tape. Belts. More belts.
Ah, look.
What is it? Ah.
Some board. Wait, what? So we have the wagons. Wow.
It's all over the audio, not. Oh, really good quality.
Yeah, they look good.
Mm.
Another sticky tape.
Mm-hmm.
Some rollers. Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
This is the that. The drivers.
Yeah.
Drivers for the
Power chips. Stepper motors.
stepper motors.
Yeah. You've got two sets. It's XY, isn't it? It's not XYZ. Yeah.
So that's another printed part.
This is really good. Which was the company you got it from?
I think it was the same. Same on Lazada, but I can't remember the name. Teammate 3D. Teammate 3D. It's a company. So a lot of cable ties. SD card.
Oh, you got an SD card with it. Oh, it's very complete, isn't it? It's a lot of stuff.
Okay. It's a power supply or something.
Oh, little baby power. I got some of those for different voltages. All of this power supply stuff is pretty standard.
A little bunch of cables.
Wow.
Nicely.
That's amazing. Oh, bunches of screws and things. Oh my god, yeah, that's a stack of a lot. Yeah, that's a huge amount. I'm going to be busy for about 2 days with another power supply.
Yeah, power supply.
Yeah, another DC power supply. Great.
Filter.
Oh, air filter.
Sponge.
Luft filter.
Filter. That's the main board, I think.
Oh, another duck.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
So we have two. jumpers, mainboard.
So what do you think of it? Oh, it's dead.
Great.
Doesn't squeak. I want my money back. Tell them it doesn't squeak.
Feet.
The foots.
One.
Something.
Something.
Something clever.
No, I don't know.
Omron. Oh,
Connector.
oh God.
PFE tube.
And all the instructions are in Chinese, yeah?
No. Some release mechanism.
Oh, a bunch of fans, man. It's all very standard electronics. Oh, look at all this stuff.
So,
Ah,
the
that's the
heating
hot plate. That's the heating plate.
Plate.
And
And
very
also have a
good packing.
magnetic
It's good packing.
stuff.
Oh my God, look at that. It's beautiful.
Wow.
You have to be careful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take out this.
Yeah, put that somewhere safe. Don't take all these out. Is that the last layer? Oh no, there's more layers. Oh my God.
A lot of things.
So,
Yeah.
that's the frame. Frame, pulleys. Så har det holdt lige så godt an. Så vi 6 feet. And
So here we are in deepest dark Thailand, unpacking our first Voron for the projects.
Yeah, good packing.
I'm waiting here as a celebration champagne.
more area.
It's wine actually.
And nice stepper motors.
Oh, so you've got 2 per axis.
I think it's
And the head.
it's a Core XY. It's a little bit complicated. I don't know how it works yet.
Oh, you'll soon find out.
New.
We're going to have some many happy hours building this. Hey, it's great, man. Look at that. Fantastic.
I will test one thing because I printed some parts already.
These you printed locally.
Tack.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. And these were printed in here?
No, yeah.
Oh. This is the control room.
Put it out already.
And here is the other printer. The printer that gives birth to the small parts. What have you been printing?
One stone.
Fantastic. Oh well, let's slide it off. Hurry up, I'm thirsty. Nam lai lai.
น้ำลายไหล
And it's hot.
Oh, you're sweating. I never sweat. No, you know, I've been here for many years. I never sweat. Only when I'm drunk and I see a policeman. But that's the hangover from the UK.
That's nice for the.
Here, you just get out your wallet and pay them 500 baht to go away. I'll sort that, officer. Come on then.
Right.
I think you have to all hold that.
Oh, no, that's the last one.
Oh shit! No, it's one. Oh, is that the last one?
Yeah, this is the,
Okay.
the last one.
Okay, well that's the stepper motor fail. They popped out. Jian, slow down. What do you think? Say something good. Sabai, sabai?
I love
Not interesting?
Very interesting
Say
product.
something in Thai.
เป็นสิ่งเป็นเครื่องที่น่าสนใจเป็นเครื่องที่เพิ่งเห็นครั้งแรกแต่เป็นอะไรที่ Amazing มาก เดี๋ยวต้องดูขั้นตอนต่อไปในการประกอบ
Because it's going on YouTube. I'll put this on YouTube so other people can see.
called 3D printing
Yeah, Voron 3D printer.
say again
The printer's called a Voron 2.4. Yeah, it's printing the solid parts like this one.
yes
But this is for the main project. It's bigger.
the main product
Main project.
main project